Hey everybody, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to do a video about the pool. We got a product, I'll show you. Okay, these are Lylmle lights. Sorry, I probably just butchered that, but Lylmle lights. LED, they're 40 watt. We're going to install these, and this company sent these to me and wanted me to do a YouTube video about them and give my honest review. So far, the box is very heavy. It's robust. I was pretty shocked when I picked these up. We've had lights in the past that were nothing like this as far as feel. It has an app so that you can control the lights. We'll come back to this in a minute. All right, so what they've got is a couple of plates. So if you have a soft-sided pool, like an Intex pool, this is a magnet strip that would go on the back side, on the outside of your pool, and then the magnet would stick to it and hold it in place. Or you can put some type of adhesive here and stick it to an uneven surface, and then that will give you a mounting plate for the light. Okay, so let me get everything out of the box here, and we're going to get this thing up and running, and I'm going to show you the lights here in the pool in a little bit. Okay, so I have it plugged into a GFI circuit, ran down. I just quickly set this up so we could get them up and running, and I will go back. There's Rosie. I will go back and tuck the wires underneath. Nothing to worry about. This is a 12 volt system. So there's a transformer, it separates the power, but always have that plugged into a GFI. So then you just run it around the edge, and your pool's gonna be, you know, maybe different than this one, but remember those lights I showed you? I got the magnets on the back. They're stuck right to the metal-sided pool. And then I ran this one right around this side over here, and I tell you, this pool is 28 foot across. There's enough cord to go all the way around. I think they said it's like 28 feet of cord to go to each light. And then this section here is about 6 foot. Okay, for now, like I said, this is just dangling across the edge, but I'll have this later tucked up in there. And you can see this is a film that comes on it, and I peeled that off. Excuse me. This particular one is loose, and I just ran this down and stuck it. It's just stuck right to the edge of the pool. Hide the cord there. So the wiring side of it, you know, and cable management is going to have to be up to however you want to do it with your particular situation. But let's go ahead and wait for it to get dark, and we'll take a look at it. You know what? I'll do a little quick screen recording while I get the app all fired up and figured out. So let's get into that next. Okay, so what we're going to do is switch over. I'm going to go ahead and do try to screen record this as I do the app. Let's see how this works out. Okay, we're going to take a photo. We're going to go to here, and then that pops up, easytrack.net. Go ahead and click that. Now it's going to take you. Okay, after you downloaded the app, then you go ahead and click open. And then you click that button on the upper left corner, and then you're going to be looking for your icon right there. And it looks like a chain that's connected, so you know you're connected. All right, let's see if we can't change our lights. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them blue and hit the button. You can change all the colors as you go around the spectrum here. Let's see, we can go white, go yellow, purple, all sorts of different colors. Okay, now let's check out the style. Let's see about white strobe. Let's see what that does. So that's a white strobe, and purple strobe flash. So you can't see these, but I'm going to show these tonight when I'm going over the top. I'll have the camera on, and then we'll just run through some of the different things. But anyway, yeah, so far so cool. So far so good. I can't tell you how awesome these lights look. We've had them in for a couple nights playing around with them. We had a storm last night. The pool cover's on. There's a little bit of dirt down the bottom of the pool, but look, you can see everything. And you can see the imperfections in the bottom of the pool. It's really awesome color, easy install. I highly recommend these things. Check out the link in the description below where you can get a pair. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I've got it set on the purple setting right now. Oop. Here we go.
Yes. Just that. What? Chicken butt.